Hi! In front of me is REALME 11 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll down again and click on Font. Now you need to operate this font size slider in order to adjust it. Check out Preview above and save your changes by hitting Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!